Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to password protect your folders on your Windows computer? I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it today. Just open this link above. I'll leave it in the description box below. So in this box you just go to this file where you'll be given a set of codes. This is a manual way of protecting your folder with the password without usage of any third-party application. So it's just using up some commands, and you just have to save your files as a batch file. Just copy the files as it is and open up Notepad on your computer. Paste this code and you can see that password field there where you have as your password. Just replace it with your password. This is a manual way of password protecting your folders without the usage of any third-party applications. I've just set my pass as mypass123, save as, and save this file as a BAT extension as a batch file. So save the option as all files from the below file type, make it as all files and save it with the batch file name. So that creates a BAT file. Double click on that. It creates up a new folder as private. So inside this folder you can save all your contents, and you can create multiple folders also inside it. So when you run the batch file again, it will ask you, are you sure you wanted to password protect it? Just lock yes, and the folder goes hidden. You can see the folder permissions also from the view options of your folder. Just go to options and see your view settings and make the option as show hidden files and folder. You will not be able to see the folder still. Now when you double click on the batch file again, it will ask you for the password which you gave in the notepad document. Just giving your password, the folder becomes active again. You'll be able to see all the contents of this folder. You can create nested folders inside this, and you can store all your files inside it. Now when you try to go to this file, when you click on edit, you will be able to see your password of this. So that makes it a not secure way of storing your file. If someone knows a way to view your batch files, they'll be able to see your codes. If you try to cut and remove this batch file and move it to another location, say for example into another folder, you will lose the folder which you have already created. The private file which you have created already is lost. You will not be able to see it again. So it's not a wise or safer way to move your files actually. So it is always recommended to keep your batch files as well into the same folder where you have created your personal or private folders. Now when I try to unlock it, it creates a folder, but there's a new folder, is not the one which was created earlier. So it sets up again as a fresh one. So if you happen to use this free way of password protecting your folder, it's wise not to move the batch file to another location. If you wanted to have a more safer way, then we have an application to do this, which is absolutely free. Open up Google and look for this software. I'll leave the link in the description box again. So this application is absolutely free to protect one folder. Click on My Logbox, download the application, just continue with the installation. This will help you to protect one single folder of your computer. If you wanted to password protect multiple folders, then you need to buy the Pro Edition. But it is better to keep all your files inside one single folder and create nested folders inside them. So double click on it. It will ask you for your master password. So enter your password once, and do remember to give in your right email ID so that if you forget your password you can get a recovery from them. So now it will ask you for your folder which you have to protect. Say for example, in the C drive I create a folder named as personal with multiple folders inside it. I just go here, I take the main root folder. That's it, my folder has gone hidden now. I won't be able to see my folder. Even in the view permissions, it's not a hidden folder anymore. Even if someone tries to unhide it, they will not be able to see the folder. Now if you open the application again, it will ask you for your password. Once you log in with your password, the folder becomes active again. You can see the folder there. And there are multiple settings as well in this plugin. Just open this and go to the settings of this. You can choose the options. How do you wanted this to lock automatically? Take the advanced option where you have the auto lock option for when you close your laptop lid, it automatically shuts down, or you wanted to lock the folder automatically with 10 minutes of inactivity, or you can choose different choices there. Then we have another good feature as hotkeys. You can set in your hotkeys if you wanted to lock a folder. If you are in a private folder watching some photographs or videos, if someone comes there, you can just press the keyboard shortcut, it will automatically close up the folder. Same works with the unlock as well. So now I'm in this folder, and if I just press Alt and X, the keyboard shortcut which I gave now, it will automatically alert me with the password unlock. I just key in the password, it unlocks my folder. So this is a cool way of password protecting your folder with a free application, and it works 100%. Nobody will be able to reset your password. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such awesome videos. Thank you.